konti kasi hindi makita yung mga.
Good afternoon, I'm Angelica de Belen from Alfonso.
Next, from the Office of the Provincial Director.
Never listen to the people who have the bad habits of being negative, because they steal the best aspirations of your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. This is Dana Quincy Camille A. Sonar, 18, a certified beauty queen and reigning Mutyanang Imus 2010. A third-year student of De La Salle University taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. A title holder in La Salle, reigning Lakambini 2010 and Miss Intrams 2010. I am also one of the Miss Red Cross Philippines title holder. That's all, thank you.
Next, from the Cavite Provincial Public Safety Company.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Melanie Medina, Mutyanang Bacoor 2009, Miss IS 2007, Miss Intrams 2007. I am a Casino Resorts World. I'm Miss Casino Resorts World also. That's all. Thank you.